everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with My Creative Times 158th edition release. And today is the first and only day of the sneaky peeks. However, tomorrow I'll be showing two different items to you that I also created. And I got a couple things to get out of the way before we jump into showing you what I've created with her new products. So we will be showcasing the 2x2 note card set, 3-inch postage cover die, Hello Winter stamps and dies, mini treat holder die, and the Winter Friends Ephemera pack. And speaking of the ephemera pack, unfortunately there was an issue with the manufacturer of the ephemera pack. And so unfortunately that's the only thing that will not be released in this order. It will be released in the middle of January. Anything else, please head over to her channel so she can give you the full detail on that. But anyway, so I am starting out with this adorable little ephemera pack, and it is called Winter Friends Ephemera, and hopefully you've gotten a good look at that while I've been talking. It is just such an adorable set. And let's jump into the other items. Okay, this is the Hello Winter stamp and dies. And so here goes the wording, and hopefully you can see that pretty well. And it also comes with the dies. And then we have the 3-inch postage cover die. Really cute. I love this. And of course you can cut those apart as well. So I did that with one of my items that I'll be showcasing. But very cute. Love that. The mini treat holder die. So if you haven't caught the theme as of yet, it is a mini release. And so this is a really cute little treat holder. So you'll be able to see that. And then last but not least, we have the 2x2 note card set. And this is so cute. I absolutely love this. And so let's get into what I used to create all of these items. Okay, and since one of the items that she was releasing was that 3x3 postage cover die, I thought I would kind of sort of focus on a postage theme. So I'm using the circle postage dies, the 5x5 card die layers, the Frosty Kisses stamp and dies, the cozy holiday wishes, the snowflake doily dies, and I'm only using the snowflakes out of the centers, Christmas greens, flower pot house add-ons, only using that little mailbox there, the giant ginger access dies, and I'm only using that little snowflake. Also using the 3x3 square card dies. That's what that postage die coordinates with. The 3x3 fancy envelope die. And then the paper I chose to use, hopefully it's back in stock. So you'll be able to pick this up if you haven't had a chance to get it. And I'm using the Festive Holidays 2025 in just this paper here. Okay, I'm going to start out with the 2x2 note card dies. And it also comes with an envelope, and I wanted to show you how it actually looks. I thought I would use vellum, and I also added a little bit of Bombay White India ink. And I just splattered that across to make it look like snow. And then also on the back side of this, I'm not sure if you can see it, hopefully you can, but there's a little heart there on the back side of that. And then it just kind of has that little tab that you can close that up with. You may not be able to quite see it, but it is visible. Hopefully you can see it a little better there. And then also, since I pulled it out that way, I might as well talk about the back side of this. It has a little heart back there too, but these are adorable. Absolutely so cute, and they're so small and tiny. And there goes that little mailbox that I thought I would use, and then I added that little seal and a couple snowflakes. And let's not forget that cancellation stamp back there that I use. Here goes the inside. Just a note. Adorable. I didn't add a gem on there, but it is adorable. I absolutely love it. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these out so you can see how the rest of them look. And here they are. They are so adorable. I love each and every one. I pretty much kept them on the same level on how I created them, just different images on top. I added the little snowflakes along with the little gems in the center. The cancellation stamp die is on there as well. The insides of them are different though, and I did, of course, added the glitter on top. That one says happy birthday. This one says missing you. And then this one says just a note. I thought that was perfect the way she has that little lined paper there. Perfect to leave a note in the inside. And then let me show you this a little bit more close so you can see all that little India ink that I added on there. But adorable. These little cards are just the cutest. I love them. Next up, I am using the 3x3 postage cover die. And so let's start out with this one here. So I am using the mini treat holder die, and I'm only using this. And I created the little name tags for Christmas for that. Perfect way to gift to your friends, family, and they can have something made from you to put on their gifts. Also, I use that postage die from the 5x5 card base, and I also used it up here as my background layer. I inked it up, used the snowflake die. Now the snowflake dies will be back in stock sometime next month, if I'm not mistaken, or it could be the end of this month, I'm not sure. There goes the Christmas greens that I added on there, and love these stamps. They are just so bold and beautiful, and with that blue, it is just so pretty. I thought I would do that postage stamp in vellum as well. For the 3x3 postage cover die, I actually cut that apart just to show you there's other ways that you can use that stamp. You don't have to have it as a 3x3. This is a 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 that I put this on, and I still brung in that little Christmas greens there. I also used this from the, I actually used that from the boy and girl ginger dies. I don't think I showed you that, but I did use that. And then I added the first class on both sides, forever, and the 5-cent stamp. And that actually looks like a real stamp to me. It's so cute. And then there goes that mailbox again. Warm and fuzzy hugs is what I use as the focus for the sentiment. And then in the inside, I use winter cheer, and that came from that other stamp set that I showed you. But I love that. Those little penguins are just adorable from that Winter Friends Ephemera. Here goes my creations for the 3x3 postage die. I did use the envelope that it coordinated with it, and I put that in vellum as well. And this vellum already had little dots on there. So let me just pull that out. There goes those little cards that I created. Remember, you don't have to use the same position of that die. You can actually flip it around, turn it around, or cut it like I did. And so this is really cute. But I did kind of keep basically the same theme going with the blue, the light blue, and the ink that I used. And there goes another little bird, airmail, 15-cent, hello winter, and that little mailbox. And this one says snow much love coming your way. Oh, and I did ink that up in there too. And this inside is actually from the card base die. And then there goes that one. Pretty much the same. I just used the little birds on there. And thinking of you this holiday season is what I put in the inside. But these are so cute. And last but not least, I created these two items. This is using the bigger ephemera that's in that pack. It's adorable. I love her. Isn't she adorable? Look at all that glitter I added on there. And she's just giving you those cozy winter vibes. I thought that was just perfect. I didn't put anything in the inside, but you know, whoever I send it to, I'll be able to stamp it or just write something in the inside. But adorable. I love it. She is the focus there. And I also used the circle postage stamps. Adorable. Last but not least, here goes this little treat box holder. It's perfect for the little nougats. Now this is a little bit bigger than the nougat. This is what I had in my stash. I have like prop candy. And that's what I had in my stash to use. But I did use that little nougat cover to put that in there. And I also put some little bit of shred down in there so it can stand up a little higher. But adorable. I added some snowflakes there. There goes one of the cups, the little gems. I mean, she has everything for this little treat box. And if you didn't want to put it together, there's also a layer for the back side. But adorable. How cute is that? Hey, I hope you have enjoyed what I created for you. Make sure you come back tomorrow. Tomorrow is release day, and we hop over on Instagram as well as on YouTube. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to everyone. Make sure that you are at least 18 years old or older. And I think that's about it. If you'd like to use my code, it's MOE for 15% off your total purchase if you wait till tomorrow. And then, or any other designers as well. That's all I have for you. Make sure you check out everyone. The links will be down below. Thanks so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.